2020 has been tough, but we wanted to create at least one good memory. So we got a huge ass tent on sale and all the gear ready for 2 nights of camping with our 1-year-old. When researching camping meals, I couldn't find many good, healthy options that worked for both adults and toddlers. So I created my own little menu, which I am sharing in this video. I'm Sabrina and I'm the creator of L'Atelier Co-working and the Focus Journal. I am always looking for the best ways to optimize and organize my business and personal life, which is why I have created Tidy Living. If you want to get inspiring content and tips, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified on upcoming videos. We arrived Friday afternoon, right during baby's dinner time, and he was so hungry. I knew this was likely to happen, so my plan for meal 1 was just avocado toast with some tomatoes for the little one. My husband and I also had avocado toast, but we added an artichoke salad on the side. This was my first time having canned artichoke hearts and I was so impressed. I will probably have that again. During both days, our breakfast options were either fruits mixed with baby cereal or eggs. We also had a bunch of fruit options as afternoon snacks. For lunchtime on Saturday, we had canned green peas with canned diced tomatoes, onions, and quick-to-make brown rice. After lunch, we enjoyed a walk to the lake, and then we went for a grocery store run to bring more fresh food. Dinner was a healthier version of a sloppy Joe. I just cooked up some green peppers and onions with ground beef and tomato sauce, and we had it in whole wheat buns with boiled broccoli on the side. The next day was our final day, and I made a camping-friendly version of a taco bowl with pre-cooked chicken that we got the previous day from the grocery store and stored in our cooler overnight. We were debating whether to stay an extra night, but after 2 days of not showering, I was so ready to go home. Plus, I don't think I had any more good meal ideas up my sleeve. What would you have made for dinner? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. I will see you in the next one.